I wanted to show you the check that they wrote for us today, right here.
Fox 4 viewer Mary Ann Coy and her husband Steve couldn't wait to show us the check her insurance company American Integrity cut her, closing out her claim 7 months after Hurricane Ian. All at the State Insurance Village at Charlotte Harbor Event Center Monday.
We were a little stunned because the company has ignored us for 3 months.
The state's Department of Financial Services bringing in the 14 insurance companies they say have the highest number of open claims after Ian, with the expectations to close out claims. And making sure they do so is the state's newly appointed Hurricane Ian Chief Recovery Director, Tasha Carter.
We want to make sure that you are prepared to issue checks on hand and that you have the representatives and the resources here that can make claim decisions right here on the spot.
Understanding it hasn't been easy for Southwest Floridians.
Hurricane Ian devastated this particular area. On top of that, we have insurance companies such as United Property and Casualty that just went insolvent, and so a lot of those policyholders are left with existing damage and open claims. Additionally, for those homeowners who have citizens, they are now going to be required to purchase flood insurance. And then on top of that, hurricane season is just 2 months away. And so really there is just one blow after another for the consumers that are living in this particular area.
But what if you are one of the policyholders whose insurance company actually went insolvent? UPC actually went insolvent at the end of February, leaving a lot of Southwest Floridians' insurance claims in limbo. Well, the state says that FIGA, the Florida Insurance Guarantee Association, is here to at least answer your questions and ultimately get those claims solved as well.
Earlier today, there were several UPC policyholders that were here that were able to speak with FIGA and, obtain the information they need to be able to move forward.
As for when Southwest Floridians will see those rates finally come down on the home insurance front after laws were changed, I asked that directly to the state's chief financial officer, Jimmy Patronis.
Tell people 12 to 18 months, you should see some relief, and hopefully the wind doesn't blow. But we've got to make some changes.
12 to 18 months. It'll be a while there. In the meantime, the site I went to today at the Charlotte Harbor Event Center in Punta Gorda will be closed tomorrow and will reopen on Wednesday. But there is another insurance village happening tomorrow in Fort Myers Beach from 9 to 5. You want to make sure you bring your driver's license, insurance information, any documents, pictures you think you might need to close out that claim. And if you want to see for yourself if your insurance company is one of the 14 that will be there, we have an entire list right now on fox4now.com.